How to deploy a GitHub project on Vercel. First, open up GitHub and you want to create a repository here. We're just gonna set it as test, and you will upload your information and project from this screen. Now, once you have it created, then we will go into Vercel, and from the home screen, once we have logged in, then you will click on import project, and it's gonna ask us to connect with GitHub at this in this section. So once you are asked, you will then authorize Vercel, and it should automate everything for you. Now here it's going to tell us that we need to install the GitHub application for the accounts you wish to import. So we're going to click on install, and here we just want to make sure that all repositories are selected, and we will just click on install. Once this has been installed, then you will see your test project on GitHub, and you can just click on import, and you will then select deploy. And once you select deploy, then this is going to begin deploying your GitHub project on Vercel. And as long as it is a valid project with everything filled out, then it's going to be deployed successfully. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.